Hey everyone, it's Alicia, and again this week I am joined by Julio over at Studio Suite. And this week Julio is going to be showing us a demo of the CRM within Studio Suite. So the nice thing about Studio Suite is you can have your CRM and your studio management software all in one. So you're not using two separate softwares to manage those things, and really it just makes your job a lot easier. So Julio, I'd like to turn it over to you to tell us a little bit about the CRM and show us that demo.
Of course, thank you, Alicia. So here we are again, and this is the home interface in Studio Suite. We have the projects that are happening today, events associated with those projects, tasks, and follow-ups on the bottom. And today we're talking about CRM aspect in Studio Suite. So for that, we're going to show our contacts module. First of all, this is where you would see your list of resources. So if I click on list on show all, it's going to display all of them, and you get some important information right here. You can also do searches if you're just looking for a particular person or a resource. So there we go. And if you click on any of them, then you get a detailed view with all the standard information, phone, email numbers, any associations or groups that they're related with. So it's a really powerful module. You can include a ton of information, and of course, it's all optional if you want to populate any of these fields or information, but it's all there for you. Anything from rates to tasks to events to employee schedules, it's all here in one simple module. We have financial information. We can include media assets, attach media assets to this contact. We have different attachments over here and reporting, of course. One more really convenient thing that I wanted to show you is, actually, it's over here in projects. So if you're in projects, you can also send an email or a communication from projects, and then that email is going to be tagged or attached to this particular project. So right here in notes in the bottom, we can type a message. So from here, you can send that email, and that email will be attached to this project, in particular, this BMW promo video project. So that's a quick overview on how communications and the CRM aspect works in Studio Suite, group management, and many other features that you can check out yourself. So I hope this was helpful. And Alicia, back to you.
All right, Julio. Well, thanks so much for showing us that. As I said in the beginning of the video, that's so awesome that Studio Suite has the CRM built right in, so you can have all of your management of your customers, your employees, the people working in your studio, your equipment, everything in one place. So it's going to make your job as a studio manager so much easier. And as Julio said, there's a lot more features in the CRM too that we would love to show you. And you can do that by visiting studiosuite.com and signing up for a free one-to-one demo of the Studio Suite software. Also, make sure that if you have any questions, you're sending an email to sales@studiosuite.com and getting in contact by phone. Thanks again, Julio.